I'm not sure if you guys have been following the story or familiar with the case that's been happening. It's the Michelle Carter case. And this it's a case that is happening in Boston. And what happened is, let me just read you some of the excerpts of what has been happening in this trial. The prosecution actually rested their case in the involuntary manslaughter trial of Michelle Carter on Thursday. They released another string of text messages between Carter and her boyfriend, Conrad Roy, discussing suicide before his death and Carter's apparent growing frustration. There was an extraction of texts between the two phones. Quote, "You're going to have to prove me wrong," Carter texts Roy. I think you don't want to do this. You keep pushing it off to another night and say you'll do it, but you never do." And Roy died on the night of July 12th of 2014, filling up his truck with carbon monoxide. When police found his cell phone, it led them to Carter, who was his supposed girlfriend. In a police interview, Carter said that she could have done more to help him. Geez, it's really a sad case, nonetheless. Looking at it, obviously the girl just looks nuts. She convinced him to do it. He was depressed. She was his girlfriend. She told him to get back in the vehicle. All he needed was someone that cared. Is she guilty of his death? Obviously, the girl is a complete scumbag. Clearly messed up in the head, without saying. But we are responsible for our own actions. Murder might be a bit excessive, but criminally negligent, manslaughter, given how insane her coaxing of him, how it was going, it's unreal. It's a tough precedent to set, given less extreme cases, but now it may still be grounds for conviction moving forward. What she did was wrong. She knew he was severely depressed, but yet she decided to take advantage of that. Most people who are severely depressed are vulnerable in certain situations. He tried to hold off and back out of it numerous times, and she kept calling him a coward and telling him just to do it. She even told her friends it was her fault he died. Depression obviously is a silent killer. I hope the judge does not dismiss her case. This kind of text bullying has really got to stop. What's the defense going to say? That she has some type of mental disorder. And what? She'll get a little slap on the wrist? That's what the angle that they're trying to go. I don't think she was mentally ill. She knew what she was doing. She should be held accountable. I hope all is well. Look forward to speaking to you soon.